This is an install video for our new Indian frame fillers. As you know, when you don't have your tour pack on, you have this giant space, and it looks like doesn't look that great. So, install man, it's my expert installer. So he's going to remove it. You want to remove them like this, just so you don't scratch the paint, maybe, or bust the paint. So all they do is they clamp on to these balls right here. Now anybody can install these, as you'll see, even this guy. All right. They just pop right on there. Super clean. As you can see over here, this is what it looks like from the back with the bags on. There's no gap, no ugly gap where you're not looking through there. Dirty Bird Concepts, they're on our website. These fillers only work with our fenders. They match up perfectly. We have a long ass end for this bike, and then we have this performance ass end. That's it. Check it out, Dirty Bird Concepts. Indian frame filler install. King installer. If he can do it, anybody can. Thanks for looking.